Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are installing a CarPlay module for Audi. In our case the Q5 8812W, the MMI 3G. So in the box, if you order this device, you will get this nice module. Here we have some small switches which are corresponding to each and every resolution of the car. So if your car has a certain resolution, you should choose 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here we have the CAN power, the USB and the video, the LVDS, and on this side the Wi-Fi antenna. All the cables are in the box, everything you need for the conversion. Everything is plug and play, and what's most important, we have the product and accessories. We have the switch, the cable connection chart. Everything you need to know for an easy installation is right here. And let's not waste any time and start the installation process. The installation of this module is simple. A bit complicated is the part where you have to remove the panels. There are two holes on the left and on the right side, at least for this Audi Q5 models, and you will need some kind of metal plate, narrow metal plate, in order to take that off. So this is the overall sequence. You also need some plastic removal tools, and using that metal plate it will snap, and then you will be able to take out the CD player. Also, the panel with the air conditioning controls have to be removed, and after that we have to remove all the cables from the navigation box. That navigation box will be later connected to the cables that are in the box with the module. One important thing, there is a gateway with some connectors somewhere between the center console and the glove compartment box. Yeah, so this is the gateway. We have to connect this yellow cable right here, and this black cable has to be connected with the red cable right there. After all this is done, we can say that the installation is complete, and after everything is completed, we should be able to use this module with the rotating knob that is placed behind the gear selector. Using that knob, we can switch to the main menu. We have a bunch of different functions like wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, AirPlay, AutoLink. We also get an USB port, so we can play media from an USB drive. And besides that, we also connected a rear view camera, and this is how the rear view camera looks like after it was connected to the module. Another important aspect, all the steering wheel control buttons are working. We can raise the volume, we can switch between the songs, and what's nice about this, you get all the original car's menu, original navigation system if your car has one, and what's most important, there are some different models out there. So this module can be ordered for different Audi Q5 models. Of course, you can also order it for a Q3 or other Audi models according to your needs. And one thing you have to know is that before making an order, make sure that you send a message to the support team. If you send a picture with your dashboard, they will send you the exact model that will be compatible with your car. If you want to buy the product, check out the link in the video description and enjoy a 20% off discount code. Thank you for your time, and until next time, drive safe. Bye bye.